Video, you are going to be turning off your focused view on your online email. So first of all, to get to your email, what you need to do is go to the Park Hill portal. And if you don't have that bookmarked, you're just typing in PORTAL, and then it's .parkhill.k12.mo.us. Most of you, it'll pop up. Yours will look a little bit different than mine does, but this is what you'll see. And then you will go to Outlook. Make sure you don't go to Overdrive. That'll be confusing. So click on Outlook, and it will open up your email. Once your email has been opened, you will notice up here, it likely says focused and other. If it does not say that, you may not have to continue with these steps. But if it says focused and other, you need to continue, because what your email has tried to do here is sort your messages that it thinks you want to have more access to or first access to. And so you may be getting things in your other folder that you are not checking. So to turn this feature off, you're going to come up here to this button here that says setting. It's next to the question mark, and you're going to click. Then you're going to go to the bottom where it says View All Outlook Settings, and you're going to click on that. It should default to where it's automatically starting on layout, but if it is not on mail and layout, that's where you need to be. Then, do you see how it says focused inbox here? Right now it is sorting your messages into focused and others. You want to select don't sort my messages. That means that everything will just show up in your inbox instead of the computer deciding what goes into which of those boxes. After you have done that, go ahead and click Save. And you will know that that's complete when you get out of that box and you come up here and it just says Inbox. So if for any reason it still says Focused and Other, it did not work. But as long as it says Inbox, then it worked. All right, good job.